Hello students, in today's class we are going to see some sample programs in R programming. So you all know about R programming. So R programming is mainly used for analyzing the data and visualizing the data. So mainly what it is used in data analytics field. Okay. So in today's class we are going to see some sample programs in R programming. So you all know about the R programming. So listen, statement is we have to write one simple R program to calculate statistical values such as mean, median and summary for the numerical values. So in R programming we have to create some variables and we have to give some set of values. Based on that value we have to calculate mean, median and summary using the R codings. Okay. So let me see about how to write a program for calculating mean and median. Okay. So here hash symbol is used in RStudio for what means to create the command lines. Okay. So command line creating purpose we are using the symbol called hash. So this hash symbol will be created to create the command lines. So command line is nothing but it is the non-executable code of programming. So the compiler will not execute that command lines. Okay. So I have given two command lines in this program. The first thing is a simple R script to calculate mean and plot the data. So we are creating the mean and median for the set of values, and also we are going to plot that mean and median in a graph. Okay, come let's go. So in second command line I have given as create a numerical vector. So for creating the mean and median values we need some input values. So we have to create that numerical vector values.